Okay, now that we're live, question 1 and 2, you know how to answer those. You do it. You do what you do.
Yeah, Brother Lou, don't mess up.
Yes, I hope not.
All right. So, question 3. Use the normal probability applet to find the combined area under the standard normal curve that is to the right of z equals 1.358 and to the left, blah, blah, blah. Round your answer to 3 decimal places. Okay. Looky there. There's a live probability applet right there.
Okay, so is it...
I got 0.175.
Doesn't do that. You're not so it did.
Yep.
Yeah.
Is that what you
Yeah. Should we write the answers or no?
What did you get?
0.175?
There you go. That's you need.
Oh, I can write the answers.
Oh, to the right. Yeah, let's use that.
Thank you.
That'd be a good idea.
I just think sell that of nothing here.
Weird.
Okay, number 4.
All right, number 4. Which of the following will have a smaller standard deviation if 9 observations are randomly drawn from a population?
Mm.
I have no idea.
Wait.
Yeah, I
They
don't know
sell
either.
that
So let's all put different answers.
Good idea.
A smaller.
I'm going to go with C.
I don't think
Final
that's
answer.
right. I think you're wrong.
Well, if you don't really know that, though, then we'll find out later, I guess.
Okay, do you want me to look it up?
Wait, guys, here. Look at my screen real quick.
No. You can't make me.
I would love to.
I see me. Oh, hold on a sec. I guess I had to click on it.
I mean, the first one and the second one should be the same, right? The mean.
I'm confused.
I choose 3.
Sure, let's do that. That sounds so good.
Guys, get off my
Ben,
screen.
you're sounding very sarcastic today. I don't appreciate your sarcasticness.
Is your car still stuck? Do you like our class meeting?
Yeah.
Is your car still stuck?
Yeah, I'm waiting for Justin to go to the shower.
Okay, I'll be done in like 10 minutes, so come help you, mate.
10 minutes? When have we ever taken 10 minutes?
We're going to today.
Oh, okay.
Okay, which of the following results implies to the spread of... How do you say that? Is it just mean or the mean of the... Anyways.
That's
Decrease
the
as the sample...
distribution of a sample mean.
Okay. Increases the sample size increases.
Anything besides that.
Is it the law?
I think it's the law of large numbers.
Hold a sec. Yeah.
Which one?
B.
8? The normal.
D, as in
The
the
lower.
log.
I'm writing them down. You can go with them.
Yeah, she is.
Okay, number 6.
Diane earned a score of 160 on the quantitative portion of the GRE. What is the Z-score corresponding to Diane's score?
Okay, so where's that equation? I need to pull it up because that's what we need. This is 7, right?
Yeah.
Guys, I'm tired.
I'm sorry.
Thank you for your compassion.
You're welcome.
I feel it.
You should.
If you answer, oh,
So don't you do the to the 160 minus the 150.8
Where are you getting 160 from? Oh, gotcha.
from that's the sample, man.
Sorry.
That's what Diane scored.
Sorry.
And you'll do that divided by the standard deviation, correct?
Yes.
Value minus mean. Yeah. Over
Divide by the 8.8, right?
What'd you get, mate?
1.045.
1.045.
Is that what you got?
Yeah.
Coolio.
What is the
Go
probability
team,
that
go.
a random selected student will score above a 60 on the quantitative portion? Is this
So
really
this is one where
yeah,
you do the standard deviation divided by the square root of. Oh, hi, Kyrie.
what's
My
up?
daughter is waving hi
What's
to
up, baby?
everyone.
Hello.
She wants to stay, but she can't stay because she's a distraction. And Ben is in a hurry.
We go to the bedroom? We'll play in the bedroom?
So the student will score above. So isn't it just don't you use the applet and then you use this top section to get?
Well, first you have to find the z-score,
No, we
though,
just
right?
calculated
Which
the
is
z-score. You just calculated the z-score, 1.045.
You're right.
So then it's just the
Good
top
thing.
portion of the applet.
Then it's 0.29.
So I got 14 point. Oh wait, how do they want this? Oh,
0.148.
14.48.
Oh, you're kidding me.
0.148,
No, I'm not
right?
kidding you. Whoever said, "Are you kidding me?" Tell them I'm not.
I don't think anyone said that.
I need
I think people in your background did.
Maybe.
What?
All right. Question 8. A random sample of 5 students was selected to take the GRE. Their scores are 160, 175, 163, 149, 153. What is the z-score corresponding to the sample mean of these students' scores?
Where's my cal? Oh, we can use the Excel document to do this one. Can't
Can you
we?
guys hear me?
What?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, sadly.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry. You cut out for a second.
Ouch.
Sorry. For number 7, you just use the top part of the applet, right? What did you guys put?
0.148.
For this number 7?
Yes.
I'm opening up the little Excel document.
Yeah.
I already have it open. I'm typing them in as we speak.
Okay, don't see
It's
it.
the quantitative descriptive statistics one, right? Is that that's what we're looking at?
Base one. Yeah.
So looking at the z-score, does that even give us the z-score? No, it does not. But the mean of those scores is 160.
Means one.
That's what I got.
No, I don't think so yet. Very little, not like
No, it's
that.
134. Oh wait, no, it's put that number in wrong. Okay, 160, and then you have
Okay.
to do the math, right?
Yeah.
So
Yes, that's what I think.
So I'll just do. I mean, it's the same as we did before. It's the same as we did before, actually.
wait, but what's the sample?
The sample is the five students.
No, what's the value? I'm sorry.
The value. It's the mean, which is 160, isn't it? Because we're trying to find the z-score corresponding to the sample mean of the student scores, which is 160,
Oh, cool.
Don't
Got it.
do that.
right?
Yeah, so it's 160.
Isn't it the same as what we just did? 1.045.
Almost. Okay.
Which makes
So the
sense.
mean is 160.
Yeah,
Wait, so
which makes sense because the sample mean is the same as the population mean.
okay, so on this one it's just 1.045 is the z-score, right?
Yeah, it's the same as the other one.
Okay. So then question 9, what is the probability that 5 randomly selected students will have a mean score that is greater than the mean achieved by the students in the previous problem?
Oh, she's awful. Yeah, I know.
Guys, I have no idea. 1, 2, 3.
Well, I think it's the same thing. You do the 160 divided by or minus the 150.8, and then you have to do the standard deviation, which is the 8.8, divided by which the sample mean, which in this case is 5, right?
I have no idea.
You have no idea? Come on, man.
I'm gonna Google it. Why don't they let me copy and paste anymore? Freaking Island 3.0 sucks.
Hmm.
Don't worry, team. We'll get it. We'll do it. We'll do the thing.
Oh, really? You did? Oh, good. I'm glad. Well, wine and cry. Wine and cry, really.
Oh, yeah.
I
They
have
don't
no
want
idea.
some stuff.
I wonder if the
I
probability.
think that it is 4.114,
Sweet, let's do 4.114.
and we'll see what happens.
Okay. I don't know how you got that, but it sounds really good number. Wait, that
Well-
doesn't even make sense because the probability should be less than 1.
Not in this case. There was an example in the video, the last video. It was like 7 something. Remember? Did you watch the video?
I never watch the videos.
Well, no wonder you don't know what's going on.
Wow. Okay, by raise of hand, who watches the videos?
Am I the only one?
I watched.
Oh, freaking gosh.
Okay, good
Well,
job, guys.
that's awesome.
Way to come prepared
You need
to the group
get
meeting. Did you answer
Yeah.
false to you complete the individual preparation assignment?
No, it says that's
Ben?
optional. It says optional.
I don't know if it does.
I'm gonna look it up right now,
You
fool.
better be careful.
Let's go do it.
I never cheat. I haven't even cheated once in my life.
That's good.
Okay, that's the biggest lie I've ever told.
I was gonna say I cannot say that, but that's great for you.
The following videos are complement the reading. It doesn't say it's required, it just says it complements the reading.
Well, I'm pretty sure it would be a good idea. But anyway, if you
Okay, now I know. How long do they take?
that like no more than 15 minutes usually.
She was her own show, but did she have like a judge show?
Are you talking about the
The video. So in the video,
homework?
Sunday,
so in the video, you would have like the problem, or whatever, where you'd have to do the sample minus the population mean, or whatever mean you're doing, just the mean, and then you divide that by the standard deviation, and then right after that, it would do another example talking about
Ted Cruz would be
where'd it go? So the probability that 5 randomly selected students or whatever will have a mean score that's greater than the mean achieved by the students in the previous problem. And so you did like the same thing, the 160 minus the 150.8, and you divide that by the standard deviation divided by the square root
Oh,
of
I see. What you're doing.
yeah.
If you look at
Of the-
the homework reading, it gives an example where you put
Yes.
the standard deviation and then the number of samples. Okay,
Yes, there were lots of
Got it.
those. So
got
does
it.
that make did you get it right?
Yeah, the one in the reading is 1.74. So
Yeah.
cool. Let's do the next one.
Guys, X is just a random variable, right? It's not like, am I missing something important?
No.
Why
X,
is that
X is the variable that you're using. So say you have a bunch of samples and it says, oh, you got 150. That's X. But the mean
Actually, it's your
is
sample.
160 or whatever, right? So you use that as your value
Yes.
in the equation. So value minus mean,
Yes.
it'd be 150 minus 160,
Okay,
because that's the one you're interested about.
right.
Oh yeah.
So line of it isn't anything tricky, right?
The one, isn't it the X with a line on top of it? That's the population mean, right?
I don't remember.
We
No.
should have like a little key that tells us what all they mean.
Yeah, Ben, you should write that up.
Okay, I'll do that.
It just says
Make up for
the
your not watching of the videos.
Hey, don't be so mean. I got better
Okay,
things
we
to
good?
do.
yeah. It just says in reading it.
Ben's
Just
got a party. Ben's got a party.
I gotta go pull my friend's car out. No, I'm just joking. Not for real though. Suppose that the mean GPA of BYUI students is 3.5, standard deviation is 0.7. It is well known that this distribution is left skewed. A random sample of N81 students will be drawn. What is the sample? What is the shape of the sample distribution of a random variable X, which represents? Wouldn't it just be approximately normal because it's above 30?
Yes.
Sweet. What is the mean of the distribution of the sample means for all of the possible samples of size of 81 that could be drawn from the parent
Yeah.
population?
3.5.
How'd you get that?
Because the mean of the distribution of any sample is the same as the population mean.
Okay,
Yeah.
so it's just 1 over the standard deviation.
No, it's
No,
just 3.5.
same.
I'm pretty sure. It's the same.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah, the two means, they're always the same.
I was looking. I was looking at the z-score. Sorry. Never mind.
Oh.
What is the standard deviation of the distribution of the sample means for all possible? Is it the same as well?
It looks like it's the exact same question.
Oh wait, no. Standard deviation is the standard deviation
Oh,
divided by the square root of n. Correct.
yes.
You got a calculator?
Let's see. So we got 81, square root of 81, which is 9. How convenient. It's
I
actually
should have thought of that. That was really
Okay.
dumb of us.
it's actually a regular number. I was so used to it not being a regular number.
So it's just 0.7 over 9.
Divided, yeah. 7 divided by 9 equals 0.0777777777777.
So it's 0.078.
Yes.
Okay.
Betsy, you're doing a really good job at writing the answers in the column to the right.
Oh, she's on point.
On point. I'm liking it.
Okay. What is the probability that the mean GPA of 81 randomly selected students will be less than 3.3? So that's just the bottom quarter because it's like one deviation, right? Am
Yeah,
I doing this right?
You go and see Dylan.
I believe so. So we're going to have to do the 3.3 minus 3.5, which is 0.2.
Yep.
And then you'll do divided by the 9, right?
So it's the value.
0.022222.
Yeah. And then you put that in the little applet.
I'm lost, but that's okay. I'll watch the video.
That's
The
good.
homework.
Well, it's just Clearwater's only 80.
Don't. That was annoying.
Stay at was 104. Boise is 122.
I love how we never can see Brother Lou because he sits in the light.
I know, right? He's like,
He's like the devil with light behind him.
I know, right?
It's kind of an oxymoron.
So I got 0.508,
Point
or in this case, 0.509.
9.
Does everyone else get that?
Yeah, I got that.
Okay. I'm glad that somebody else.
So
got
if
that.
the probability that it would be greater than 3.3, wouldn't it just be 1 minus 5.09?
Yes.
So that's like
Yes. it is.
0.4. I'm trying to do this math without getting a calculator out.
Good luck.
2285.
Wow. What faith.
0.491.
I was just about to say that.
Oh, I was just confirming what you were about to say
Thank you
And that's the
yourself.
for 14.
about that one. Wait, my bad.
Okay. 15. The United States Coast Guard assumes that the mean weight of a passenger in a commercial boat is 185 pounds. The previous value was lower, but was raised after tragic boat accidents. The standard deviation of the passengers' weight is 26.7 pounds. The weight of a randomly sample of 48 commercial boat passengers was recorded. The sample mean was determined to be 177.6 pounds. Find the probability that the random sample of passengers will have a weight that is as extreme or more extreme than was observed in this sample. As an extreme or extreme
No,
means
that could be.
are not only interested in the values that are lower than the ones users, but the values that are as far away from the mean as ours is positive
Yes,
direction.
get it.
I think the answer is 6.
Okay, you're gonna turn it in, right?
I'll turn it in with 6. I'm proud.
How did you get that?
I just thought of a number.
That's your lucky
Between
number.
1 and 10.
Sorry, I'm in a really lazy mood. Okay. So the value. Do we have to figure out the z-score first? Wouldn't it just be anything that z-score is above?
Or below.
Or it's extreme?
Yeah, either above or below the mean.
Yes.
Does it have to do with the 68,
I know that too.
95, and 99.7% rule? Does that have to do with that, do you think?
No, it's equal. It's greater than or equal to. It's not below. Because it's as extreme or more extreme. So
But
what
then it says right next to it in parentheses either above or below the mean.
what the heck?
Yeah.
I'm doing okay.
Okay, good.
Wouldn't that be 1 then?
Big breakfast.
That's everything.
Either above or below. That's 1.
Find the probability that the randomly sample of passengers will have a weight that is extreme or more extreme.
Oh, I do too.
Well, don't we want to first do the standard deviation of 26.7 divided by the square root
It's okay.
of 48 to get the standard deviation, and then the value minus the mean?
I don't know. This one's stumping me for some reason.
So we need to calculate a z-score first. That will give us the probability. Right.
You're gonna let it fall in the water.
All right. Well, the z-score.
But I don't know what our value is.
I think our value is 177.6.
Lots of walkers.
Okay. Oh, that would make sense. It's going to be like a tiny little area outside of the applet. Probably.
Julie's making some soup for
Did you happen to
Yeah,
get
I
the
can see
z-score?
that.
our Kobe Shane.
I think there's other colors over there.
I think I got it right the first time.
Okay, I'll do that. Standard deviation of pressure. 7.
And then I want to get some of those pants.
What's the square root of 48? Go. Quick. Someone go.
4.
Are you
No.
a doggy?
Is it not?
No.
4 times 12. Wait, it's double.
6.928.
Oh, right.
Right, he
I'm
says.
thinking 4 times 12. That's not a square root. Hey, look, my glasses. Okay, what is it? 6.912?
928.
What did you say it was? Sorry. Oh, that's not the z-score. Sorry.
No, it's not.
Gosh.
So, negative 7.4 divided by 3.8. 3.854. I got a negative 1.92 for the z-score.
Negative 1 point.
No climbing on the table.
So if you put it in the applet, it's anything less than or greater than. It's on both sides, right?
I believe so, yeah.
Okay, so the area is 0.0, so it's 0.055.
Yeah. Hope so.
I'm just gonna submit my answer.
Do it, man. Do it.
Look, guys, we're gonna have so many wrong.
Oh, yeah. I wouldn't be surprised.
Okay, 4 is wrong.
Actually, I feel pretty confident.
4 is wrong.
about some of them.
8's wrong. 9's wrong. 13's wrong. 14's wrong.
Dang, we stink. We got 15?
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, so I won't close out of this until I guess I can open another one.
Which
I
one is wrong, Ben?
Okay, number. We'll just go down. Number 4 is the
Good.
first one that we have wrong.
Number 4, number 6.
Yes. No, just number 4. So I think it.
8, 9. Right? Those are wrong. Dude, look at the chat box.
I'm
I
looking.
can't. Hold on.
I have.
Number
Wait.
4, I guess then the B.
Here, let me. Oh, I guess I gotta keep mine open. So if you guys can write this down, and then I'll restart mine. I'll keep mine like it is. So B, we can try that. Okay, number 8. I told you this was wrong.
You did not.
Yeah, this one was the one that you got the z-score over. Oh, that's the next one. 9 is
Yeah.
wrong too.
You're that's fine. He's good.
If I don't do anything, I just get a 70. I'm almost tempted.
D score.
Kyrie. Kyrie. Water.
Oh, sorry. Forehead.
Okay, number 8.
Got some water? Hey, look. Want some water?
Where's my cell phone? Oh, it's right here, right in front of my face. I need a calculator. Clear.
There you go. Come on. Let's go over here. Want some? Here. Hey. Hey. You want some? Come here, come here. I don't want it now. Come here.
Integration. Standard deviation.
Yeah, no, peanut.
Move it this way for a second. Hello? Hello? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think we'd like T-bone, some ribeye.
Yeah. You did.
Okay. That's okay.
Well, I just got a different answer for 8.
What'd you get?
I
No,
got
we're good.
5.23 or 5.227.
Okay. All right.
How did you get that, Kevin? Share with us.
Airport beach, San Diego.
All right, so I still did the same thing. Well, the 160 minus the 150.8. But then for the denominator, I did the
8.8
standard deviation. I did the 8.8.
divided
Wait, I forgot. I think I forgot to do the squared.
That's
5.
not possible because the
Yeah.
z-score can't be
No.
anything greater than, like, if you put it in the applet 5.220, it like is way out there. It doesn't work.
Yeah, that's possible. That's possible. Trust me, I saw it in the video. Unless the math teacher was wrong, I saw it in the video.
I thought the 160 is the mean, is another mean, isn't it?
Yeah, she does.
The 160 was the sample mean, I believe.
The sample mean. Okay. Yeah.
Oops, right head.
What is the value for this question? I was wondering.
Yeah, that's what I don't get. Unless it's just 160, so it's just 1 at the top. So it's 160 minus 160. I guess that wouldn't work. Never mind. That was stupid.
You're gonna get a little backwash in that. You're gonna get a little backwash in that, huh? Huh?
Yeah. Just hug your son.
What's that?
Hug your son.
The
Or the
game.
kid, yeah.
Yeah, so the sample is just the 160 because it's the sample is the sample mean of these students' scores, which is 160.
Okay.
So 160 minus the, I need like a piece of paper to write this down so I can keep track of everything.
160
Yeah,
minus
that is longer. That light game.
160 minus 150.8.
Yeah. Over, they have to do the standard deviation, which the standard deviation is, the standard deviation for this sample is the standard deviation divided by the,
8.8
Right.
divided by the square root of 5.
Yes.
I believe so, yeah.
So what are you guys using as your value? That's what I'm confused about.
Value
The value is
is
160.
160.
And then what's your mean? You're going to use,
150.8.
okay.
160 is the mean of the, what do you call it?
Of the population.
No, mean of a standard, right? The standard deviation of a random variable.
I'm confused.
The standard
Sorry, that's not really good.
deviation of the random variable. It is the x with the cross on the top.
Right.
Oh, that's great. That's awesome.
The value.
Kyrie, let's not play with those, please.
Hey,
Where did Tiffany go?
she went to take those books back to the school. She's
We
on her way
got
now.
some of these schools here. It's not as good as that. Let's see, do it.
They can play all the games right here. So it's not.
I got 2.33.
I mean, the
Did you get that? Coach?
I'm just finishing.
Did an Excel.
What did you get? 2.34?
Yeah.
2.337?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2.338.
I got 2.337, but I didn't go very far. So you're probably right. I didn't
I mean, I
round.
did this in Excel in one formula and just typed it
Okay.
in.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
2.338.
Okay. All right.
Okay. So then, what is the so that's the z-score, right?
Yes. I hope
So we need to put that into here for 2.338. So then question 9, is that the one we missed? What is
Yeah.
the probability that 5 randomly selected students will have a mean score that is greater than the mean achieved by the students in the previous problem?
I'm sure.
Would that just be the top end of the above the z-score? Does that make sense?
Yes, I know what you mean, and I think you're right.
So is it 0.0097 or 0.01?
This one says to run the answer to the 4 decimal places. So yeah,
Okay.
0.0098, right?
No, 0.0097.
7. Whoops. I was 1 digit off.
Yeah, that's a big deal. Big deal.
I know. It
Don't
is.
screw
I
up
know.
again.
I didn't say it wasn't okay.
How
Okay.
did you get this?
Just
You
God.
put the z-score of 2.338 into the applet,
Uh-huh.
Z-score, yeah.
and then it will give you the area of the top section.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Okay, so number 13 is wrong. I hate this. So what is our sample on this one?
Sample is 3.3.
Okay, what's the mean?
3.5.
Here, I'm just going to type this in Excel and then it'll be faster. 3.5. I'm just editing the one I did last time. What's the standard deviation?
Standard deviation is going to be, where'd it go? 0.7 is a standard deviation.
0.7. And then how many samples do we have? 61?
81.
Okay, our z-score is negative 2.57.
No.
Negative? Say again?
I got negative 2.57. Let me check that I did that right. So the value, is the value 3.3?
Yeah.
Okay, so then it is negative.
Yeah, I think that.
That's fine. I was just checking that I did it right. I didn't want to get it.
And you have to round that to 3 decimal places.
Wait,
is
but
the-
this is the
question.
probability, not z-score.
I know, but we have to have z-score to get probability.
Oh, I see. I thought you were saying that was it. I was like,
2.571.
What? 2.571?
I put that in the applet, and then what are we trying to get?
It's negative, right? Or is it positive?
It doesn't matter. That the z-score is just 2.571. So what is the probability that the GPA for 81 students will be less than? So it's just the bottom little lip, and that's 0.0051.
Yep.
So it's just 0.005.
There's stuff in there, but
Yep.
it's like.
So that's 14.
Well,
that's good.
That was 13.
So then 14, what is the probability that the selected student is greater than 3.5? Isn't it just the same value?
Greater than 3.3.
Right.
Well, this one, it's going to be everything else, right?
No, I think it is just 0.5. Because I think it's just 0.5 because what's the probability that it's going to be 3.3? Be the middle section. So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm confusing you.
The worker bees here.
That's so nice. Thank you for giving that up.
Sorry, my computer's been slow as heck.
Come on, Mike, get the dog by. Yeah, I have no control over
What's
that.
it doing?
You did, you did.
It's not letting me screenshot.
Boy freaked out. There is an
Oh,
outside.
how are you? Oh, that's okay.
I don't know what it's
I
doing.
love That's so cute.
It's my meeting day.
So you,
Oh.
So I have to actually look presentable.
You look nice.
Well, you'll probably be in the bedroom if you want to start.
So-
There's that one tote.
Okay.
They're not all Christmas sweaters.
I put it in the applet
Okay, so then I.
because these go 2.57.
Okay.
Is it the top end or is it the top end in the middle? That's the question.
Well, I thought it would be the top end in the middle because you're looking for everything above
There's one place I
the 3.3.
But then why wouldn't the below be the middle too? I think the middle is 3.3, isn't it?
That's too big for 3.3 because 3.3 isn't it? It's a set point.
I don't get what you mean.
How are you feeling?
How are you?
I'm confused, to be totally honest.
I mean, I guess we still have 2 more tries.
How are you?
I'm doing
Let's just
fine.
try it with 0.005 and see what
Just
it
sit
does.
here and talk to people. It's nice.
All right, who wants to do that? I want to try with the other one.
Yeah.
Wait,
Okay, do the other one. It doesn't matter.
tell me which one to put in.
You try the 0.005.
Okay. Like it was on 13?
No,
Yeah.
14.
Yeah, but it's the same.
Oh,
answer.
like the one. Sorry, I missed you.
Okay. I'll submit mine first. Or did you already submit?
Nope, I haven't.
Okay, let me go first in case it's right.
what is the questions 14 answer?
We're not sure.
We're not sure. We're
No, it's wrong.
Is 13 right?
Yeah, everything else is right.
Except
except
for
for 14.
Yeah.
All
Can
right,
you-
I'm gonna submit mine, and I want to see if mine's right.
okay, I'm gonna reopen one. So somebody keep their answers open.
Okay. I've got mine.
Well, we have all the answers in the comment section if you would bother to read it.
Thank you, Kevin. No, Ben.
I read things. You guys are making me sound like I do nothing.
Yeah, that's it. 0.995.
Okay.
I don't get that though. But I mean,
It's remember it's one of the rules.
oh, it's probably because that's so dumb. So you know how we got our z-score as negative? So it's
Yeah.
based off the negative line. So anything below is that little tiny bit. Anything above is the 2 big sections.
Yeah, I
That
know.
was stupid. I'm sorry.
And we gotta remember the rule. Remember the rule of probabilities?
No.
Where it equals 1. So if the probability that it is that is the probability or is 1 minus the probability that it isn't or whatever.
Yeah. You're right.
You know, it's nice that I can be right once in a while. It doesn't happen very often, but when it does, ooh,
Oh wait,
I get excited.
I thought I put it back in here.
4 is B. Okay. 5 is D. 6.
Yeah, you find it?
It was, I didn't look in the drawer, it was in.
We
Calling you today.
so happy.
Yeah.
I don't even feel like I could do this again and get it right. That's my problem. I worry for the test that I'm not going to do well.
Well, I think that if you watch the videos, it would help you a lot.
This is the first time I haven't understood. So back off.
No, that's totally fine. And I think watching the video would help reinforce. It gives you lots of those examples.
I'm just trying to see that. 9 is 0.0097.
I know why. It's because you don't have any props on, man.
8. Okay, I'm totally confused. What are the answers? Because I have to like look down.
Which one?
I was in charge of the answers, just confused me.
Excuse me.
Which question are you talking, Ben?
I'm just trying to put them in because I had to redo the whole thing because I submitted it. So I'm typing all the answers in, but I'm making sure.
Yeah,
Do you guys have an echo of me? Because I hear an echo of myself.
I have echo for everyone. Hey.
.12 is point. 0. Can I just run through these to make sure I got them all right? Or someone check them.
Are you done?
Well, Kevin checking.
I already closed mine. How can I pull back up?
Kevin.
Never mind then.
Mine is still open.
What?
Oh, Lee. He's the man.
Did you get 3.175, 4B, 5B,
Up a little bit.
6, 1.045, 7.148, 8, 2.338, 9.0097,
Teach on her left elbow too.
10, SC 11, 3.5,
Does she have all the other-
12.078,
That is her Lindsay.
13.005, and 15.
That's fine. Just get it wiped off.
995 and 15.055.
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you do anything at Peaches?
Huh?
Did you do anything at Peaches?
Yeah, I looked at it. See anything great.
Did you drain it?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Maybe not quite all the way, but
I gotta go help this guy.
I gotta go take care of my daughter.
Okay.